What is going on YouTube? Just helping you out here. And for today's video, I'll be showing you how to adjust the flashlight brightness on the Samsung Galaxy S8. This is a useful setting to selectively improve visibility in dark places. On the other hand, it does pose a safety risk with low temperature burns on the skin and eye damage if you look into the light. With that said, to adjust the brightness, you are going to pull down the notification panel twice. And typically the flashlight icon is on the first page of Samsung phones, but it might be on the second page. In my case, it is right here on the first page. And all you need to do is click the word flashlight, and now you see we have 5 different levels of brightness that we can adjust. I'm going to turn the lights off quick and demonstrate that for you. So just as a demonstration, this is level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, and level 5. So you can see we have a clear difference between each level. So that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please drop a like, leave a comment if you have a question or an idea for a future video, and lastly, please don't forget to subscribe and tell your friends about my channel so I can grow and help more of you guys out. I'm just helping you out. See you in the next video.